This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Effortless. See how easy that is? That's straight down the center, right through the seeds and all. That's how sharp the knife is and how good the knife is. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful knife set. Oh, take a look. Wow. That is really nice. I do recommend keeping these. That way you can always put them back in so you don't accidentally cut yourself. Because they're very sharp. Really nice. That's how sharp they are from factory. That's why I say be very careful. Again, this is just from factory. You can even skim the top. You see this? So be very careful. Super sharp. Really nice knife set. Here we have an apple. Effortless. See how easy that is? That's straight down the center, right through the seeds and all. That's how sharp the knife is and how good the knife is.